How to convert PDF to an Excel file. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see, I have PDF in here. Simply open Word. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, click on Open, which is below New and above Share. Click on Open and then simply click on Browse at the bottom. Select your PDF file and then press on Open. After you have done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on OK. After that, it will be pasted. Simply select all the format and then press on Copy, or simply after selecting, you can press on Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then open Excel, right click and then click on Paste, which is Keep Source Formatting, the first paste option, and as you can see, it has been pasted. This is how to convert PDF to an Excel file. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.